How to use trends. Click on a word to toggle its visibility. Hover over any point in the graph to see more information about the point and to visit its place in the text. Use the Display drop-down menu to change the type of graph used to visualize the data. Click on Document Terms to see a spark line of the distribution of each term in the corpus. Hover over Define Options for this tool and click on it. Here you can define a list of stop words exactly like we did with the word cloud tool. Use the Segment slider to change how many segments are used to divide the document. Then decide whether you want to use raw or relative frequencies. Use the search box to define which search terms appear in the graph. The default is for the most frequently used terms in the document to appear.